Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, the distance of a point U from the x-axis is given as minus of 7 and from the y-axis is given as 6, and thus we have to find the coordinates of U. Now always remember that x coordinate is nothing but distance from y-axis, distance of point from y-axis, and y coordinate equals distance of point from x-axis. Now in this question, the distance of point from x-axis is given as minus of 7. Therefore, the y coordinate is minus of 7 and distance from y-axis is given as 6. So the x coordinate will be 6. So x coordinate is 6, 0 and y coordinate is 0, minus of 7. Therefore, required point is 6, minus of 7. 6, minus of 7. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.